It's another edition of Let's Hustle. It's your regular host, me, Patrick Nija. On today's edition of Let's Hustle, we'll be looking at 10 big mistakes to avoid when starting up a new business. If this is your first time seeing my handsome face, I would like you to subscribe, like, and on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I drop new videos. And if this is your second time visiting this our channel, you are super duper welcome. You are the real MVP. Thanks for stopping by on the Successful Hustle channel. Taking us far on today's topic, we'll be looking at those 5 topics in order to help you avoid a business crash. The number one on our top list is playing know-it-all, jack of all trade, as people may say. When you want to start up a new business, you actually need to learn the business, know when to buy, where to buy, when to sell, where to sell. You actually need a close mentorship, but most people will just decide to start up a business and they are boom, the next day they are on the business already. That's a highway to crash. But in order to avoid this, you need to learn the business, ask questions from those that have been in the business before you. And our number 2 pick to avoid is zero infrastructure. Zero infrastructure in the sense that you don't have plans, because you see A is doing the business, you jump into the business also. You need to have plan, because if you don't plan, you're already planning to fail. And number 3 is expecting your customers to spot you. You starting up a new business, you need your own spot, so you need to fight for that spot. You need to use everything available in order to fight for your own spot. So you don't need to relax because you have started a new business, so you now need to relax. No, you don't do that in order to be successful in that aspect of your business. And our number 4 is technology, not using the technology available, the technology around you, such as Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, what have you. So you can actually advertise your business on this technology, on this social media, but when you are not using it wisely, you're already on the highway to crash. And our last pick is finance. You know, when you start up a new business, you are your own boss. There's no board of directors to audit you. You might be reckless, spending money anyhow. So you need to check yourself, know how to do proper money management in order to manage your business. So let us run up the 5 points again. We have talked about trying to play jack of all trade. Number 2, zero infrastructure. Number 3, expecting your customers to spot you. Number 4, not making use of the technology available. And number 5, finances. I think with this, if you can implement it, your business will strive. And I pray you implement it and your business strives, so that you can actually give a testimony of what you've learned on Let's Hustle on today's edition. I'm hoping to see you in the next edition. So if this is your kind of video, kindly subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. We'll be seeing you in the next edition. Thanks and God bless.